Hey, what up guys? I'm in my 2023 Toyota Tundra and I just got the new center console safe. Well, it's not new, I mean it's been around for the Tundra series. But here it is on the seat, and we're gonna be putting it in right here in the center console. So let me get the camera set up so that you guys can see also. I got the tools right there ready to go. The 4mm Allen key to tighten it down, and just a 10mm to loosen the existing bolts that's under that cover. So let's go ahead, get the camera set up, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, got the camera set up. Let's turn the car on just to get some air going. It's a little hot outside. And I'll try to direct the vent so it's not blowing towards the mic. Alright, let's get this started. So looks like this piece just kind of pulls out right there. This just lifts out. We'll go ahead and, oh, they got a little Toyota graphic right there. I don't really know what this is. Just a little storage cubby, I guess. It's got a, looks like a Tundra Sequoia and maybe a Tacoma. I don't know. Not really sure what that's put in there for. Maybe just design. But whatever. Let's take it out. And now we have to take off this rubber base plate here. Just go ahead. It's a little bit of a pain to grab. Don't recommend cutting your nails the day before you do this. It's a little hard to grab. Alright, got this spout. Now let's grab our 10mm. Just gonna break them loose, and then I'll get them out by hand. We won't be using these anymore. Just go ahead and set them off to the side. Okay. Now, there's the keys. Got the washers and spacers. Alright. The bigger spacer goes in the back, and the short one goes in the front. And let's switch to the 4mm Allen key, or not Allen key, this is the Allen wrench. And just confirming the 4mm does fit perfectly, so that's good. Alright, now let's lift this guy into place. It's actually a little heavy too. Let's line it up perfect so we don't scratch anything like I just marked and bumped. Okay, the holes line up perfectly down there. Just put the washer in. Just go ahead and line it up. I'm just gonna get them hand tight, and then I'll probably do a quarter turn after. Alright, got that one hand tight. Let's get the washer in. Get them started by hand. Okay. So I'm just gonna get them ham tight, and then I'll probably go a quarter turn with the ratchet. just to snug it down. And I got it snugged in. Let's do the back. Man, that's pretty much the install. That was it. Pretty simple. Locked right there. From the factory, it's 000. From my understanding, is the factory is 000. Go to unlock. You push that button with it in the unlock position. Okay, maybe not. Maybe. Oh, I think you hold it, turn it to unlock. Huh, no, I don't know. I gotta do some research on this real quick. I thought you just push the button in the unlock configuration. Okay, so I'm able to push it, turn to lock, and it goes in. Let's just go 1, 1, 1. Let's see, release. Okay, so now I changed it to 1, 1, 1. There, it's locked. It now unlocks on 1, 1, 1. There you go. So I guess you just hold and push the button, turn to lock, it'll move quarter. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Release, lock, unlock. There we go. Or that's locked. Unlock. There we go. It looks like there is a little piece of padding that goes on the bottom of it. Goes on the very bottom, orientates that direction. And let's turn the air down. Hopefully it hasn't been blowing in the mic the whole time. In California, I really don't recommend putting a firearm in here. I know it's a safe, but the California wording of not having a handgun in your glove compartment or center console, the wording just isn't there to support. You know, you just never know what kind of cop's gonna pull you over. I know it's a safe. I'm probably just gonna use it to keep my, if I go hiking or something, just leave my wallet in the safe. Again, I wouldn't take the risk of putting a handgun in there. You just don't know. The California wording just isn't very good. So, but awesome, guys. Thanks for watching, and be back for the next DIY. Thanks, guys.